Tell you people don't used to do inter-house in your school.
We do, uncle. It's next week.
Next week? Ah, why you don't come tell me? You know what I call your inter-house to come and look at me? Eh? Okay, so I'll come and represent your papa, your account. So, which house they put you?
Red House.
Red House? Ah, now you people go lose, so because now Red House they always lose. Even that time I did my own secondary school, met all this case. Yeah, now Green House I did, now we dey carry first, but Red House now then they lose. Sure, you go run 100 meters for your house.
Uncle, did you do government when you were in school?
Government, yeah, we do government. Now we be government. Yeah, they say government. Now we gonna be government. You understand? Because that time, now small email like this, make I shop president. But you know as our people be, they rig the election. They don't allow me shop president of a students unity of what they call them. You understand? But that time the reason we say me I'm a gentle person. But that time I be baller. So you know the meaning of a baller?
No, sir.
You know no baller? Baller is a when they say baller, it's like it's somebody that's not a wake up attentively. You understand? That's not a sharp. So you understand?
No, sir. Uncle, what are the arms of government?
Arm of government. Hey, is he a advantage or disadvantage or a characteristics?
Definition.
Okay, definition. A definition is like the meaning, Abi. You know, it have a different meaning. So when they now say harm or government, a harm or government is like it's different too. But when they now say harm or government, that will depend on the country. If it's America now, their own harm or government still work. In Nigeria, our harm or government, you know, work. And that's why you spoil. It's only on independent day they will bring it out on NTA. Maybe so you don't watch NTA. When it's only mosquito Netflix you watch.
What? But
anyway, a harm or government is like the subordinate. You understand what I'm saying? It's like the subordinates that surround the government. That's like in Senate building now. When they are in Senate building, that's when they use the arm of government. They will bring it out. It's like a long gold something like this. I said, wait, they did not teach you people in school. They did not teach you. Supposed to teach you. Well, that's it.
Uncle, I don't understand. So what is government?
Government is a name of the people, animal, place, or things.
Egbon, you know where, sir?